Hello and what's up? Today I'm going to unbox a renewed iPhone 12 Pro which I ordered through Amazon, and it has 256 GB with Pacific blue color and in the excellent category. So as you can see, there's no longer an original box because this is renewed, so expect the unexpected. So this is 256 GB, so let's open it. Inside the box, okay, the item itself, of course, the iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, and this charging cable, which not also original, but it's made by Anker. Okay, and the travel adapter, which I guess this is not a fast charge. So let's peel this off. Oh wow, as you can see guys, my new Apple product. This wasn't new, still I'm happy to have this product because Apple is loved by so many. As you can see the side of this phone, there's nothing. I guess there are scratches, but it's minimal. Totality, the phone itself perfectly outside. So nothing to complain about the outside appearance of the phone. Guys, all I can say is wow. So let's boot it up. Okay, and by the way, at the end of this video they will show you a sample of video shoots and pictures taken by this iPhone 12 Pro, at the same time the gaming experience I have. Okay, keep on watching. Guys, I love this phone. So to those who doesn't have budgets for newest, buy renewed product. Thank you.